Two concrete pumps at south goal, new phalanges on the ground at the lateral, alignment guides pulled, ceramic llamas are coming. And at north goal, painting is done, and the bracket zone is ready. A lot moved since yesterday. Let's walk it all. Starting today at south goal, where we have two concrete pumps deployed. One has the mixer truck already attached, though it's sitting idle for now. The second is in position, but still waiting on its mixer to arrive before pouring can begin. A couple of elevated platforms are active nearby, working on the upper beams. A crane was also spotted operating in this section, though hard to make out exactly what was being moved from this angle. Small details, but they all add up. South goal is calm, but not empty this morning. Let's keep moving toward the lateral. Over at the lateral, straight away, there are new pieces on the ground for the compression ring. Two new phalanges arrived overnight that were not here yesterday, plus a new radial beam. And one more phalange was lifted since yesterday's visit, confirmed by checking the footage. That is how this site operates. As soon as sections go up, new stock arrives to replace them immediately. The ring keeps moving, and the supply chain behind it is clearly keeping pace. Workers were also spotted inspecting the underside of the installed phalanges, checking everything is sitting correctly before the next pieces follow. Alignment guides have been removed in the corner sector. That is a significant step. It means all the anchor points are correctly aligned and verified. This section is now ready for ceramic llama installation. Workers are active across both the upper bracket zone and the lower level. One issue continuing from previous days, the phalange in the north goal direction still has not gone up. Something appears to be holding that specific position back, and we will keep monitoring it. Progress towards south goal, however, remains consistent every single day. Ceramic llamas were also spotted being lowered into the storage area, being prepared for installation in this zone very soon. At the north goal corner, the false ceiling llama installation is moving continuously. A new slat just went up as we arrived, crane lowering it into position with elevated platforms, working non-stop to connect each piece. The big update here, though, is the painting. Yesterday, those bolts and beams behind the bracket zone were still white. Today, they are fully painted black. That section is now ready for llama installation on the upper bracket level. The crew will likely finish the false ceiling run first, then move straight up to the brackets. Two expansion joint pistons are active in the mid-north goal section, with platforms working simultaneously. Sandwich panels are still arriving and being staged for the mobility cores. At the north goal Tribune corner, vertical support brackets are in place, but horizontal connections have not started yet. Sparks were also spotted flying from one platform in this zone, with cutting or grinding work underway. Up on the Tribune terrace, plenty of elevated platforms active today, 3 working simultaneously in the left section alone. Beams are being scraped down ahead of painting, and work continues on the vertical llama supports, though the horizontal connections have not been added yet. New llama support pieces that arrived yesterday are staged on top of the cafe diamond, waiting to be used. The shop diamond glazing is coming together nicely, profiles being fitted and checked on the lateral side, with workers making sure every joint is seated correctly before moving on. At the corner to finish today's walk, protection nets are being installed inside, and more beam preparation work is underway. Every detail here is laying the groundwork for what comes next. Every zone has something moving today. The ring keeps stacking, the llamas are getting closer, and the preparation work across Tribune and North Goal is quietly setting up the next big visual changes. See you tomorrow when we check if those first llamas finally go up in the lateral corner. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back tomorrow with everything that happens next.